Hello students, welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School which is situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your English teacher Nancy Pandey. I hope you all are doing good job at your home. So students, in our previous video we do some exercises from chapter 6 pronouns. Now today we are going to do other practice set from this chapter. So the question number first, rewrite this story, replace the words in color using pronouns. So students, here a story is given, you have to replace the nouns which are colored with a pronoun. So students, as you know that pronoun is a word that we used in the place of noun. So let's read this story. The lion, the mighty king of the jungle, was sleeping peacefully. So students, this story is about of a lion, the mighty king of the jungle. So the lion was sleeping peacefully. All animals were afraid of disturbing the lion. So students, you know very well lion is a powerful animal. So all the animals of that jungle were afraid of lion. Suddenly a teeny mouse lost his way and bumped into the lion. So students, once a teeny mouse lost his way and bumped into the lion. The lion was very angry. Who disturbed the lion? The lion shouted. Forgive the mouse, O king of the jungle, the mouse squealed. So students, when a teeny mouse bumped into the lion was too angry and shouted, who disturbed the lion? So then the mouse said, O king of the jungle, the mouse can be helped to the lion one day. So the mouse said, O king of the jungle, I can be help you one day. The lion laughed out, ha ha. So students, listening these words, the lion laughed at a teeny mouse. How can the little mouse help me? Now go away and don't come near the lion. So then the lion said, how can you teeny creature, mouse, how can you help me? Go away from here and don't come to me. Then one day a hunter led a net in the forest and the lion was caught in the net. So students, one day the lion was trapped in the net which was laid by a hunter. The lion started to growl in anger. So students, when the lion was caught in the net, he started to growl in anger. Somewhere close by, the mouse heard the lion's roar. Then the mouse heard the roar of that lion. The mouse quickly rushed to save the lion. Then the mouse go to save the lion. Don't worry, O mighty lion, the mouse will save the lion, the mouse said. Then the mouse said to lion, don't worry, O mighty lion, I will save you. Soon the mouse bit the net and its sharp teeth and set the lion free. Then the mouse bit the net with his sharp teeth and made the lion free. Thank you. Thank the mouse, little mouse, said the lion. And then lion say thanks to the little mouse. The lion and the mouse become a great friends after that. So after this incident, the lion and mouse become a great friends. So students, here look, some words are written with red ink. So these are the nouns which we have to replace with noun. So the first colored word is the lion. Let's read this sentence. All animals were afraid to disturbing the lion. So students, the lion is a noun and lion is a male. So for a male we use he, his or him. So students, here we have to write all animals were afraid of disturbing him. Now look at the next colored word. The lion was very angry. Who disturbed the lion? The lion shouted. So students, here we use he on the place of the lion. Now let's come to the next colored word. One day a hunter led a net in the forest and the lion was caught in the net. So students, here the colored word is the net. So we have to replace it with noun. So students, we have to replace the net with a pronoun. So net is a non-living thing. So here we have to use it. The lion was caught in it. The next colored word is the lion. So the lion is a male. So here we have to use he. He started to growl in anger. Somewhere close by the mouse heard the lion's roar. The mouse quickly rushed to save the lion. So the next colored word is also the lion. The mouse quickly rushed to save him. So here you have to replace the lion with him. Don't worry, O mighty lion, the mouse will save the lion. The mouse said. Soon the mouse beat the net with its sharp teeth and set the lion free. So students, our next colored word is the mouse. Mouse is also a male. So here we replace the mouse with pronoun he. He beat the net with its sharp teeth and set the lion free. Thank you, the mouse, little mouse, said the lion. The lion and the mouse become great friends after that. So, students, the next colored word is the lion and the mouse. So, students, here more than one person are exist. So, for more than one person, we have to use they. So, on the place of the lion and the mouse, you have to use the pronoun they. They become great friends after that. Now let's come to the question number B. Read these sentences. Replace the word in color with the correct pronoun. My mother gave I a beautiful hat. So student, here I is not correct pronoun. Here we have to write my mother gave me a beautiful hat. Now in second sentence, these are Sheila's book. Please give it to her. So students, here this sentence is correct because we use it for a non-living things, and here book is a non-living thing. Now let's come to the third sentence. Rohan's father is a good cook. Him cooks every Sunday. So students, here the him pronoun is not correct. Here you have to use he cooks every Sunday. Now the fourth one, me like to eat oats and milk for breakfast. So me is incorrect pronoun. You have to use I like to eat oats and milk for breakfast. Now the fifth one, Rimi has a a cat. Her gives them milk every day. So students, here you have to, the pronoun her and them both are incorrect. So here you have to write Rimi has a pet cat. She gives her milk every day. Now let's come to the sixth one. Samira has gone to meet Kriti. Them are planning to go on a vacation together. So here we have to use they instead of them. The next one is Ashok is a popular dancer in our school. Every day knows her very well. He told me that he has just won the national dance competition. So students, here you have to change the pronoun her with him, and you have to replace the we with us. Now your exercise is completed. Do practice this at your home. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye. Take care.